Hi. Okay, so you've had hair loss for how long?
Oh, goodness. Well over 25 years.
Okay, and your installation today, what do you think of your new look?
So I just have to say, Shar, I really appreciate you. You and I have worked together for a really long time, and you've dealt with my anxiety so well when it comes to my hair. And I appreciate everything that you've given to me over the years. We shifted from extensions to a cyber hair piece today. And from what I can tell, I love it. I love that the insecurity that I felt before when it came to seeing my scalp and having really thin hair, this piece is just perfect. And I feel like the insecurities that I've had before are not there anymore. And I just want you to know how much I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, how long did it take you to wait for the cyber hair custom order?
So it was a little bit of a process. It definitely took, I would say, between like 4 and 6 months for the mold to be created, for it to be sent in, for them to send it back, and me to give my approval, and then for them to go ahead and complete the entire piece. So it was a little bit of a process, but absolutely worth that wait.
Thank you. Okay, so one last question. You know that we have a nonprofit, and the sale of your hair pieces and your services, of course, they help power the nonprofit. What are your thoughts about that?
Well, as somebody who is in the helping business myself, I think it is incredibly touching that you want to work with other folks and help them through their hair loss journey and help them find that peace and pride about being a woman, and loving their hair. And it just means a lot to know that other folks are out there also trying to help others. So I just want you to know again, I appreciate you. I appreciate your mission. And I cannot wait to see what lies ahead.
There you have it. Thank you.